Hey guys, welcome back. Apple AirPower is finally coming after so many years, and here we have the first look of Apple AirPower, which is shared by Komiya, a very well leakster, and he also shared some other information about AirPower. So Apple was working on AirPower from 2017 and there was so many issues, for example heating issue, and it was not able to charge multiple devices at once. And because of these issues, this product was getting delayed for a couple of years. But finally Apple solved the problem of heating by putting less coils and Apple's A12 Bionic chipset, and the product is finally ready for the launch. Now Komiya says that he personally saw the AirPower, and on that basis he gave the first look of AirPower and the content inside the AirPower box. Opening the AirPower box, first of all you will see at the top AirPower, then there is instructions, then there is a 30-watt charger and a 2-meter USB-C cable. And yes, Apple is giving 30-watt fast charger for AirPower, and it will help charging your device very quickly. And you will be able to charge multiple devices on AirPower, and for charging your iPhone there will be a magnetic coil inside the charger and inside the chassis of iPhone 12 series, and it will automatically align on AirPower by itself, which will also work for charging your device very quickly. AirPower will come in two variants, a smaller mini variant of AirPower and a regular bigger variant of AirPower. And according to leaks, their prices will be around $79 or $99 for AirPower mini, and for regular AirPower it will cost around $199, almost $200 for the regular variant. And hopefully they are going to launch in September 2020 Apple event. So guys, that was it about Apple AirPower. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section about Apple AirPower, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.